My name is Jonathan Burke. I bought a Sling TSI. What I like most about it, I think it's the fact that it's entirely modern. It's got the latest avionics and the latest technology, makes it very safe, especially for a student pilot like myself. Well, first of all, the parachute is one thing, and there's lots and lots of customizations. I basically adopted the attitude that safety was the most important thing and that it was worth spending money on safety. So, many screens. There's an oxygen system because, of course, this plane does really well at 14 and 15 and 16,000 feet. And the oxygen system is a cool oxygen system. It generates oxygen on the plane, so you don't have to worry about running out of oxygen. It's the darkest blue that Sling offers. Some kind of navy blue and then just the whitest white. That's a classic combination, right? I mean, the Navy has their soldiers in blue and white because it looks good, right? And anyway, I think it looks beautiful, so I was quite happy with navy blue and white. I'm a new pilot and I like aeroplanes, but I'm very far from an expert. But with that said, I really don't think there's anything like the Sling on the market for the price you get it at. It's such a cool aeroplane to fly. When I talk to people about aeroplanes who don't really know aeroplanes, one of the things I explain to them is most aeroplanes have a 1950s engine in them. And this has a completely modern engine. The engine is amazing. It has so much power and it uses almost no fuel. So, having a modern aeroplane and the avionics or the latest avionics, the safest avionics, and you can choose them yourself, right? So you're choosing how safe you want to be. Having that options for that is just I think amazing. So frankly, I don't think it's a very difficult choice. Once you realize if you're going to buy a new plane, then it seems to me it's a pretty obvious thing to do is to buy the Sling. I bought it because I have a house in Truckee and I live in the Bay Area. And driving to Truckee from the Bay Area is a challenge. And so that was the primary motivation, but I've really enjoyed the process. The plane has amazing capabilities because it's fast. I'm also a cyclist, so one of the things I made sure was that I could get a bicycle, actually 2 bicycles into the plane because you'd like to go with somebody. And that opens up the possibility of just flying somewhere, go riding for the day, and then flying home. These are the things I'd like to explore.